Hello, my friends, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. Today is a very special video. I am making my dad a very special breakfast for Father's Day. Dutch apple pancake, aka apple Dutch baby. And the Dutch baby is a baked pancake filled with fruit. You can fill it up with strawberries, blueberries, peaches. Today, I'm going to fill them up with apples. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be full of apples and spices. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And the best part, no griddle required. You're going to bake it all in the oven. And this would be great to serve for any special breakfast or brunch occasion. Serve this for the holidays, for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist and my previous video, chocolate peanut butter pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pancake batter, your apples and spices, and your skillet sugar, because we're about to bake some Dutch apple pancake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 4 extra large eggs at room temperature. And in 2-hour eggs, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of white sugar and a half a cup of self-rising flour. Going to whisk all these together until they're well combined. Now we're going to gradually add in 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And whisk everything until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, so now we're going to let the batter rest for 30 minutes. And over here, I have 1 large Granny Smith apple. We're going to peel them, core them, and slice them. Alrighty, I got all my apple slices together. Now, put them in my bowl. Now we're going to set them aside. And over here in my bowl, I have a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. We're going to add in our spices. A half a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg and a pinch of ground allspice. And stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside while I get my skillet going. In my cast iron skillet, I got the fire over medium-high heat. I add in 4 tablespoons, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter, and I'm letting it melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted, so now I'm going to brush the sides. Now we're going to sprinkle on the cinnamon spice mixture that we made earlier. Now we're going to line it with the apple slices. Now we're going to sprinkle on a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar on top of the apples. Smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of apples cooking. We're going to let it cook until the mixture bubbles. Alright, my friends, all the sugar has melted. So now I removed it from the fire. And our batter has rested. So now we're going to gently pour the batter right on top. Like so. Alrighty, now ready to put our pancake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 425 degree oven. And we're going to let it bake for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to reduce the temperature to 375 degrees and let it bake for another 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my Dutch apple baby out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. Look at the apples, and the pancake is golden brown. I can smell the spices. All right, so now I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes. And then as soon as it cools, I'll put it on my platter and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Dutch apple pancake, aka Dutch apple baby. Doesn't that look pretty? My dad's going to love it. Alrighty, so now I'm about to cut my pancake into slices. And then I'll serve this to my daddy. Good morning, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I made you breakfast.
Yeah, I see.
It's Dutch apple pancake, aka Dutch apple baby. All right. Would you like anything? Would you like some whipped cream? Or...
Yes, I'd like to have just a little whipped cream.
Yes, sir.
Just a little.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Go ahead. Let me know what you think.
Tastes like something I never had before. It's good.
That's good. You like the apples?
Yes, I do.
The pancake?
Yes.
That's good.
It is good. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. All right, Daddy, you enjoy your breakfast. I love you.
I will. Thank you, ma'am. Love you too.
It's my pleasure. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and I want to wish all y'all a blessed and safe Happy Father's Day.